Good morning, my dear children. How have you been? Yes, I think everybody should study ant. They have an amazing four-part philosophy. First one, never give up. First one, never give up. Second one, look ahead. Second one, look ahead. Third one, stay positive. Third one, stay positive. And fourth one, do all you can. Do all you can. So children, today I am going to teach a poem named The Ants. Today I am going to teach the poem named The Ants. This poem was written by the famous writer Jan Taylor. This poem was written by the famous author Jan Taylor. So children, now we will see some facts about ants. Now we will see some interesting facts about ants. Ants do not have ears. Ants do not have ears. Then how they hear the sound? Ants hear by feeling vibration in the ground through their feet. They can hear the vibration through their feet. They can feel the vibration in the ground through their feet. Second one, there are more than 12,000 species of ants all over the world. So children, there are 12,000 types of ants in the world. Third one, an ant can lift 20 times of its own body weight. The ant can lift 20 times of its own body weight. Is that clear, children? Now we move to the poem. Children, let us learn some values from the goodness of the ant that is really kind to his brother. So the name of the poem is The Ants. The name of the poem is The Ants. Shall we start reading, children? Yes. A little black ant found a large grain of wheat, too heavy to lift or to roll. So he begged of a neighbor he happened to meet to help it down into his hole. The first stanza is about little black ant. So children, this poem is all about ants. This first stanza is about a little black ant who found a large grain of wheat. A little black ant who found a large grain of wheat. It was so heavy for the ant to carry. Too heavy to lift or to roll. It was too heavy for the ant to carry. The ant could neither lift it nor roll it. So he begged of a neighbor he happened to meet. He asked his neighbor to help, whom he met on the way. So children, he begged. Begged means requested or pleased. Begged means requested or pleased. The black ant requested of his neighbor whom happened to meet on the way. the neighbor ant crawled. Crawled means forward. Move forward by using hand or knees. The ant crawled off as selfish. Selfish means selfish persons never care others. So they care themselves only. So here the neighbor ant is selfish. So he crawled off as selfish and cross. Cross means, see children, cross means angry. He went away from the place angrily as he could be and lay down to sleep and went to sleep at his easy. Easy means without any difficulty. Easy means without any difficulty. He went to sleep without any difficulty. So second stanza is about the neighbor ant who said that he had his own work to do, and also added that if you really want the grain of wheat, you must shift for yourself. Then he crawled away the place angrily and went to sleep easily. Easily means without any difficulty. Is that clear, children? Shall we move to the next stanza? Third stanza. Just then a black brother was passing the road and seeing his brother in want, came up and assisted him in with his load. For he was a good-natured ant. This stanza is about black brother. After a few seconds, the black brother was passing or crossing the road, and he saw his brother who was in want of help. He saw his brother who was in want of help. He came up and assisted. Assisted means helped. Then he came up and helped him to carry the load. For he was a good-natured ant. Children, since he was a good-natured ant. First, in the first stanza we learned that a little black ant who found a large grain of wheat. He could not, the ant could neither carry it or roll it. So he asked his neighbor to help. But the selfish ant who refused his request. Then he went to sleep. After that, the ant saw his black brother who helped him to carry the load to his home. Is that clear, children?
Children, now we are going to learn the rhyming words for the poem The Ant. First, what is mean by rhyming words? Rhyming words are two or more words that have the same or similar ending sound. Now we are going to see the first word. Okay, what is this? Yes, wheat. And then this is meat. W-H-E-A-T, wheat. M-E-E-T, meat. Wheat, meat. Wheat, meat. And then next, C. Roll, hole. Roll, hole. R-O-L-L, roll. R-O-L-L, roll. And the rhyming word for roll is hole. H-O-L-E. H-O-L-E, hole. Repeat it along with me, children. Roll, hole. Roll, hole. Third one is, see the third one. Please, ease. Please, ease. Tell along with me, children. What is this? Please, ease. Please. P-L-E-A-S-E, please. P-L-E-A-S-E, please. And the rhyming word for please is ease. E-A-S-E. What is the spelling for ease? E-A-S-E, ease. Please, ease. Please, ease. Finally, what is this? Yes, be, he. Be, he. You already know these two are two-letter words, okay? What is the spelling for be? B-E-B. B-E-B. And for the spelling of he is H-E-He. H-E-He. Be, he. Be, he. Children, now we are going to see an activity related to the poem The Ants. What is the topic? The ants. First, I am going to read the poem. A little black ant found a large grain of wheat too heavy to lift or to roll. So he begged of a neighbor he happened to meet to help it down into his hole. I have got my own work to look after, said he. You must shift for yourself if you please. So he cravelled off as selfish and cross as could be and lay down to sleep at his ease. Okay children, now we are going to see a summary for these two stanza. Okay. There lived a black ant, and it found a large grain of wheat. The black ant could not move the grain of wheat because it was too heavy to lift. So the black ant asked help from its neighbor. The neighbor did not help the little ant because he was selfish. It asked his neighbor to help him lift large grain of wheat to his hole. But the neighbor ant said, "This is your work, so you have to do. I won't help you," said the selfish neighbor ant. Okay children, this is the explanation for first two stanza. Okay, rest of the stanzas will be continued in the next video. And already I told what is your home assignment. You have to read the first stanza and have to record and then send it in your WhatsApp group. Okay children, thank you. Children, now you are going to write your classwork note. Okay, first you have to put separate note for English. Write a date and then start writing. Okay, first what we are going to write? Poem. The spelling for poem is P-O-E-M. What is the title of the poem? The Ant. T-H-E. The Ant. A-N-T. Now we are going to write D words. First Roman letter is D words. D dot W O R D S. And the first one is found. F O U N D. Found. Second one is craved. C R A W L E D. Third one is passing. P A S S I N G. Passing. Fourth one is assisted. A S S I S T E D. Assisted. Fifth one is profit. P R O F I T, profit. Sixth one is insect. I N S E C T, insect. Second Roman letter is synonyms. S Y N O N Y M S, synonyms. First one is cross. C R O S S, cross. The meaning for cross is in this poem angry. A N G R Y, angry. Cross, angry. Second one is profit. P R O F I T, profit. Synonym for profit is to gain. T O 2, gain. G A I N, gain. Profit, to gain. Third one is assisted. A S S I S T E D, assisted. Meaning for assisted is helped. H E L P E D, helped. Assisted, helped. Next one is certainly. C E R T A I N L Y, certainly. Meaning of certainly is surely. S U R E L Y, surely. Certainly, surely. Fifth one is ought. O U G H T, ought. The meaning of ought is should. S H O U L D, should. Ought, should. And third Roman letter is antonyms. A N T O N Y M S, antonyms. Antonyms means opposite words. And first one is heavy. H E A V Y, heavy. Opposite word for heavy is light. L I G H T, light. Second one is down. D O W N, down. Opposite word for down is up. U P, up. Down, up. Third one is selfish. S E L F I S H, selfish. Opposite word of selfish is generous. G E N E R O U S, generous. Selfish, generous. Fourth one is appear. A P P E A R, appear. Opposite word for appear is disappear. D I S A P P E A R, disappear. Fifth one is profit. P R O F I Profit. The opposite word for profit is loss. 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 Profit. Loss. Children, I am going to read from the first. Listen carefully. Poem The Ant. The words found, crawled, passing, assisted, profit, insect. Then synonyms: cross, angry, profit, to gain, assisted, helped, certainly, surely, ought, should, and then next one is antonym: heavy, light, down, up, selfish, generous, appear, disappear, profit, loss. Okay, children, write your classwork note neatly and then take a photo, send it in your WhatsApp group. Okay, children, now what is your home assignment? Your home assignment is you have to write the hard words, synonyms and antonyms in your classwork note. Okay, what you have to do? You have to write the hard words, synonyms and antonyms in your classwork note neatly. Okay, and then activity also there. What is the activity? Recite the first stanza and send the audio in your WhatsApp group. You have to recite the first stanza of the poem, The Ant. Okay, and take the audio, send it in your WhatsApp group. Okay, clear, children? Thank you.